Hello, welcome to the Premier Knowledge Channel. Today, we are going to discuss how to make your credit card pay you every month. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button if you have not already done so. What if I told you your credit card could become your side hustle? That's right, most people swipe their cards without a second thought. They pay interest, late fees, and maybe rack up a few rewards they forget to redeem. But not you. Not after today. I'm going to show you exactly how to flip the script and turn your credit card into a cash machine. Let's talk credit card rewards and cashback strategies that actually work. First things first, there are three types of rewards programs: cashback, points, and travel miles. Each has its pros. If you love simplicity, go with cashback. If you travel often, miles and points might get you free flights, hotel stays, or upgrades. Strategy number 1, pick the right card for your lifestyle. Don't just grab a random card. Look at where you spend the most. If it's groceries and gas, cards like the Blue Cash Preferred from Amex can give you 6% back. Dining out? The Capital One Savor card offers rewards on restaurants. Tailor your choice. Strategy number 2, maximize bonus categories and rotating rewards. Some cards offer 5% back in rotating categories each quarter, like groceries, streaming services, or gas. Mark your calendar, activate those offers, and shift your spending accordingly. Strategy number 3, use sign-up bonuses to supercharge earnings. Many cards offer $200 to $750 in bonuses just for spending a certain amount in the first 3 months. If you plan ahead, say, put rent or bills on the card, you can hit that goal easily. Now listen closely, this is critical: never carry a balance. If you're paying 20% interest, you're canceling out all the rewards you just earned. Always pay in full, every single month. Want to go pro level? Stack rewards. Use cashback sites like Rakuten or Top Cashback in combination with your card. Double dip. Example: buy a $100 gift card through Rakuten using your rewards card. That's 5 to 10% back twice. Also, some cards let you pay rent or utilities through third-party services that still count as eligible spend. Do the math, sometimes the small fee is worth the points. Last tip: reevaluate your cards yearly. Some cards charge annual fees that might not be worth it anymore. Others might offer better perks based on your new habits. So what's the takeaway? Choose the right card, spend smart, stack your rewards, pay in full, reassess regularly. And remember this: credit cards don't have to trap you in debt. Used correctly, they're a financial weapon. The goal is to make your money work harder without working harder yourself. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if your bank should be paying you next month.